Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Today our focus will be on think, turn, to, tell. So let's start with the word think. T-H-I-N-K, think. I'm thinking about going to buy a bottle of Bisleri water. Why don't you buy a water filter? Think it over. It's much cheaper than buying a bottled water. Let me think. I think water filter is a good idea. I do think so. Shiv, you've come after a very long time. Why don't you stay here for a few days? What are you thinking? Are you thinking of staying? Yes, I think I'll stay. I'm happy. I think Arya too will be very happy. The next word is turn. T-U-R-N, turn. Turn on, turn off, turn in, turn out, turn left, turn right. Do you know the way to the temple, Rani? Where should we turn? Left or right? Turn right, then make a U-turn and there you can see the temple. Turn it over. Turn what over? The rocks. Check out for the beautiful shapes of the rocks. Arun turned 20 today. Turn the page. It was my turn to read. Whose turn is it to clean the kitchen? It's Rita's turn today. The next word is too, T-O-O-2. Too much, too many, too long, too busy, too good. Too little or too much information may not help you. Successful people will tell you that you are never too young or too old to get started. Speak slowly. You speak too fast for me to follow. It was too hot to go out. The officer is too honest to take a bribe. Tom is too fat to run. Meeta is too small to do the job. The tree is too high to climb. The next word is tell. Tell a story. Tell about. Tell it. Kian, will you tell a story? Which story should I tell? Shall I tell the story of the monkey and the crocodile? Yes, do tell. Why are you so late? Tell me the truth. Don't tell lies. I'll tell you, Dad. Allow me to come in. Mama, please tell me a story. Okay, sit. Let me tell you the story of Bal Hanuman. Don't tell anyone. It's a secret. I promise I'll not tell anyone, or I'll never tell. What's your name, child? Tell me your name. So that's all for today. Meet you in my next lesson. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.